Hi. Today's topic: how much music sucks. Fucking shit. When did I not record? To be honest, I was kind of dreading this day. Today is the day where I pick the winner for the contest. And the reason I'm dreading it is because I have to tell, somebody's a winner and somebody, I don't want to say lose, but somebody's a winner and somebody else didn't win. And right now, as you can tell, we're on our way to heaven, so. Anyway, I had an absolute blast doing this. It was so much fun. I met new people, and I got new people to check out my channel. I got to check out new people's channels. This is the coolest thing I think I've ever done as far as YouTube. And this is the most ridiculous fucking traffic I've ever seen in my fucking life. So, we're taking a right and a left. Hang on, we're driving into the sun! Good Lord, that's bright. We're about to burn up on re-entry. Now I'm gonna pull into a golf course with a shitty. Go Indians! Better, huh? Do you hear that, Mr. Anderson? That is the sound of inevitability. I have no idea why I'm doing this. The capital of Canada is Canada City. Sorry, wrong. Fucking idiot. Aw, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. They're pretty flowers sitting on the floorboards of my fucking car. Now, let's see if I can make it an hour back home without knocking the shit all to hell. Pretty flowers. And water all over my floorboard. I can fucking see it now. Because to get out of this parking lot, I'm gonna have to drive like I'm exiting the gates of Hades. Come on, Grandpa. Unreal. Okay, here we go. Gently, car's coming, gonna T-bone me, and here we go. Now. And the color looks like crap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fucking no